How to use ChatGPT 4. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use ChatGPT 4. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up your web browser. You can open up any web browser that you are most familiar with and then simply type in chatgpt.com. After you hit the website, your ChatGPT should open up. Now first, you can use ChatGPT without logging in, but if you don't log in, you will not have your history saved. So yeah, your chats will get cleared after you close this window. So log in into your account, tap on the login button on the top right here, and after you tap on login, it will prompt you to another website. Right here, you can see that you can continue with your Google, your Microsoft account, your Apple, or with your phone number. So just do whichever is you find most easy. And I'll just continue with my Google here and just choose an account and log in into my account here. So you can create your account as well if you don't have an account. After you logged in, this is what you will be on. This is the interface. Now on the left hand side, you will find your history. This is what the history looks like, and on this history you'll get your library. You can explore GPTs. You can head over to ChatGPT, which is our normal interface where we can talk with ChatGPT. So you can close this sidebar if you want by tapping on this top left corner and it should go away. Now here you can just start speaking to ChatGPT. So let's say, hi, how are you? And if you just type that in, it'll give you a response. Now here, what you can do to actually change your ChatGPT to ChatGPT 4 is tap on this loop icon, which is switch model button. And if you tap on it, you will be able to use your ChatGPT 4. Now, as you can see, all of these are ChatGPT 4, just a different version of them. So just select one and it will just give you a different response. Now, the response depends on which model you use. As you can see, ChatGPT 4o mini is faster for everyday tasks, while o4 mini is fastest at advanced reasoning. While also ChatGPT 4o is great for most tasks. Now, it's most efficient to use the auto option here, while it just changes with your response and what you're trying to ask. So with that, you can now use your ChatGPT just as you want. You can upload your files, folders, you can ask it to analyze it, you can search the web, you can think before responding, and different stuff here. And that's basically how you use ChatGPT 4. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.